अस्सलामु अलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुह।
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. We are learning Durusul Lughatul Arabiyyah, book number 2, lesson number 9. وَمَنْ خَلَقَ الْقَمَرَ Ya Abdurrahmani, and who created the moon? Ya Abdurrahman. O Abdurrahman, who created the moon? So here you can see this was Abdurrahmani, and because of this ya, it become mansub, and now it is Abdurrahmani. Waman khalaqa, and who created al-qamara, the moon. Waman khalaqa al-qamara ya Abdurrahmani, and who created the moon, Abdurrahman. So this al-qamaru is object here. Al-qamaru is object here. Khalaqa is verb fail, and man is maf'ul here. Abdurrahman khalaqa Allahu. Allah created it. Khalaqa Allahu, Allah created it. So Allah is fa'il, Allah is subject. And who is maf'ul bihi, object here, and khalaqa is fail here. Waman khalaqan nujuma ya Ahmadu, and who created the stars? And who created the stars? Ya O Ahmad. So an-najuma is maf'ul bihi, object here. Khalaqa is fail, man is fa'il here. Khalaqaha Allahu, Allah created them. You can say them, Allah created them. So ha is maf'ul bihi, object, and Allah is fa'il, and khalaqa is fail here. Ya Ustazu, O teacher, in this swalun I have a question. Laysat lahu alaqatun bid-darsi. It doesn't have, it is not related to the lesson. We can say it is not related to the lesson, or we can say it has no connection with the lesson. It is not related with the lesson, or it has no connection with the lesson. Ma huwa. Ma huwa, what is it? Qara'atu, I read fi kitabin, in a book. Anna nujuma ab'adu min ash-shamsi, that the stars are further from the moon, from the sun. Stars are further from the sun. Ab'adu min ash-shamsi, further from the sun, or far away from the sun. The stars are far away from the sun, or further from the sun. Or sahihun haza, is it true? Or sahihun haza, is it true? Naam, yes. Naam, yes. Haza sahihun, yes, it is true. Mimma khalaqallahu al-insana ya Usmanu. Mimma khalaqallahu al-insana ya Usmanu. From what? Mimma mean from what? Mimma, from what? From what? Khalaqallahu al-insana, Allah has created the mankind. Ya Usmanu, O Usman. From what Allah has created the human being or mankind. Khalaqallahul insana min teen. Khalaqallahul insana min teen. Allah has created the human being with the teen. Teen is, you can say, soul. Al insana. This is object here. Al insana is object. Allah is file and khalaqa is verb fail. And teen is majroor because of the min teenin. Allah has created mankind or human being from the soil. Ahsanta ya Usmanu. Well done. Ahsanta, well done. O Usman. Wa mimma khalaqallahul ja'anna ya Aba Bakrin. And from what khalaqallah? Allah created. So khalaqa is fail, Allah is file, al-ja'anna is mansoob. Al-ja'anna is mansoob here. It is object. And this is plural of the jinn. This is plural of the jinn. And from what Allah has created the jinns, Ya Aba Bakrin, O Abu Bakr. So this is Abu Bakrin. This is Abu Bakrin. And because of this Ya, the mudaf become mansoob. So Ya Aba Bakrin, O Abu Bakr, with what Allah has created the jinns. Khalaqallahul ja'anna min narin. Allah has created the jinn from the fire. Allah has created the jinn from the fire. Kaifa arafta zalika ya Aba Bakrin. How do you know? Kaifa arafta zalika ya Aba Bakrin. How did you know? Arafta, fail mazi. How did you know? How did you know that? Zalika, that. O Abu Bakr, how did you know that? Araftu zalika. Araftu, I know. Araftu, I know. I knew. Sorry, I knew zalika. I knew that. Minal Qur'anil Karimi. Minal Qur'anil Karimi. I know that from the Qur'anil Karim. Faja'a fi suratil Arafi. Faja'a fi suratil Arafi. So it come in the Surah Araf. Fa mean so, then. So it came into the Surah Araf. Anna Iblisa qala lillahi. Anna Iblisa qala lillahi. Okay. That. Anna mean that. Anna, that. Anna Iblisa, that Iblis. Qala, said lillahi, to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. That Iblis said to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Ana khairum minhu. Ana khairum minhu. I am better than him. Khairun mean better. Minhu, from him. I am better than him. Khalaqatani. Khalaqatani min narin. You have created me from the fire. Wa khalaqatahu min tinin. And you created him from the soil. From the soil. You created me from the fire, and you created him from the clay, or from the, you can say, soil also. You can use clay, or you can use soil, and you can use dirt also. Ana khairum minhu, I am better than him. Khalaqatani, you created me min narin, from the fire. Wa khalaqatahu, and you created him min tinin, from the clay, from the soil. Ahsanta ya Aba Bakrin. Ahsanta ya Aba Bakrin. Ahsanta mean well done, good. Ahsanta ya Abu Bakrin. Well done, O Abu Bakr. Kam sama'an khalaqallahu ya Abdullahi. Kam sama'an, how many heavens or how many skies? Kam sama'an khalaqallahu, how many heavens Allah created, O Abdullah. Because of kam, we have known that the noun is mansub. Kam sama'an khalaqallahu ya Abdullahi. How many heavens Allah has created, O Abdullah? And this is Abdullah is mansub because of this ya. Khalaqallahu sab'a samawatin. Allah created 7 heavens. Sab'a, 7. Samawatin, heavens. Allah created 7 heavens or 7 skies. وَفِي كَمْ يَوْمٍ خَلَقَ اللَّهُ السَّمَاوَاتِ وَالْأَرْضَ. وَفِي كَمْ يَوْمٍ, and in how many days? فِي كَمْ يَوْمٍ, in how many days? Here you can say, because of this proposition fi, yawman is majroor here. Wakam yawmin, and in how many days? You also can say wafi kam yawman. You also make it mansub also. Wafi kam yawman, you can say wafi kam yawmin, you can say. Khalaqallah, Allah created. Hussamawati wal arda. Wal arda is mansub, and as-samawati is also mansub. And the feminine sound plurals, when they are mansub, they take kasra. That's why as-samawati is feminine sound plural. It is mansub, but it is taking kasra. Ya Abdurrahmani, O Abdurrahman. In how many days Allah created heavens and the earth, O Abdurrahman? Khalaqallahu samawati. Khalaqa is fair, Allah is file. And as-samawati wal arda, this is object. This is maful. Wa khalaqallahu samawati wal arda fi sittati ayyamin. And Allah created heavens and the earth in 6 days. Fi sittati ayamin. In 7 days. This was sittatu ayamin, mudaf and mudaf ilayh. And sittatu is mudaf, and because of this fi, it become majroor here. Fi sittati ayamin. In 6 days. Haza sahihun, this is true. Haza sahihun, this is true. Qala Allahu Ta'ala fi kasirin minal ayati innahu khalaqa sab'a samawatin. It is true. Qala Allahu Ta'ala, Allah said fi kasirim minal ayati, in many verses. Allah has said in the many verses, indeed he created. Okay. Innahu khalaqa sab'a samawatin. Indeed he created sab'a samawatin, as 7 heavens. Innahu khalaqa sab'a samawatin. Indeed he created 7 heavens, or 7 skies, you can say. Faqala, then he said, fi surati talaqi, in surah talaq. Allahul lazi khalaqa sab'a samawatin. Allah who created 7 heavens. Allazi ismul mawsul. Allazi is ismul mawsul. Allah, it is Allah who created 7 heavens. Sab'a samawatin, 7 heavens. Wa kazalika qala fi kasirim minal ayati, and like that he said in many verses. And like that, kazalika mean like that. And kazalika, and like that, qala, he said, fi kasirin minal ayati, in many verses, innahu khalaqas samawati wal arda. Innahu, indeed he. Innahu, indeed he. Khalaqas samawati wal arda. He created. So khalaqa is fail. As-samawati wal arda is object. As-samawati wal arda is object. And here as-samawati is also mansub. And this is feminine sound plural. That's why it take kasra when it is mansub. And the wal arda, it normally take fatha. Fi sittati ayamin, in 6 days. Fi sittati ayamin, in 6 days. Indeed, he created heavens and the earth in 6 days. Faqala fi surah til hadidi. This is surah 2, and it is mudaf, because of this fi proposition, surah 2 becomes surah ti, become majroor here. Huwallazi khalaqas samawati wal arda fi sittati ayyamin. Huwallazi, he is Allah. Allazi, who khalaqas samawati, created. Khalaqa mean created. As samawati wal arda, heavens and the skies. So heavens and the skies, as samawati wal arda is mansub, object maf'ul bihi. Huwa, it is he, Allah, who created. He, Allah, who created skies or heavens and earth fi sittati ayamin, in 7 days, in 6 days. Fi sittati ayamin, in 6 days. Fi hazihi lahzati, fi hazihi lahzati, in this moment. In this moment, at this moment, you can use both. At this moment, in this moment. Rannal jarasu. Rannal jarasu, the bell rang. The al jarasu, the bell. Al jarasu, the bell. Ranna, rang. At this moment, the bell rang. Wa kharajal mudarrisu minal fasli, and teacher went out from the class. Wa kharajal mudarrisu minal fasli, and teacher went out from the class. So this was our lesson for today. Any of you have any question? Any of you have any question? The lesson we have read today. Okay.
Sir.
Yes. Who will read this one? Umaira. Wait a minute. Okay. Please read. Okay, please continue. Umaira.
Yes, sir. Can you hear
Finish.
me now?
Yes, please.
Yeah. الدرس التاسع lesson 9 دخل المدرس الفصل. The teacher entered the class ووجد فيه 15 طالبا فقط, and he found in it 15 students only.
Only.
فقال لهم, then he said to them, أين الطلاب الجدد الخمسة الذين جاءوا أمس? Where are the 5 new students who came yesterday?
So what is the
All
al-khamsatu? What is the al-khamsatu?
5, no? So it is not manut, no?
It is manut.
Jududul
It
khamsatu.
is adjective. It is manut. Okay. Good.
Qala Abdullahi, Abdullah said, Hadarul yawma wa kharaju qabla qalil. Qalil. Abdullah said
Qabla
they were
qalilin.
present
Qabla qalilin.
qabla qalilin. Abdullah said they were present today and they left before a little while,
A short while ago.
a short while ago. Okay.
Okay,
Azunnu,
what is qabla qalilin?
before a little, it is mudaf mudaf ilayh, no,
It
sir?
is mudaf and mudaf ilayh. Qabla is adverb. Qabla
Zarf.
is verb zarf. Okay,
Okay,
good.
sir. Azunnu annahum zahabu ilal mudiri. I suppose, I think, indeed they went to the principal.
Okay, good.
Raja'at tullabul.
I think that they went to the principal.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Raja'at tullabul khamsatu ba'da qalilin. The 5 students returned after a little while. فَقَالَ لَهُمُ الْمُدَرِّسُ. Then said to them the teacher, أَإِلَى الْمُدِيرِ ذَهَبْتُمْ يَا أَبْنَائِي. Did you all go to the principal, O my
Ilal
sons?
mudiri zahabatum ya abnai. Oh, my sons, did you go to the principal?
Principal. Yeah. قالوا, they said, Naam, yes. ذهبنا إليه. We went to him. لأننا, because ما وجدنا أسماءنا, because we did not find our names fil qaimati. In the register. Sir, qaimati is
In the register.
register.
In the
Jalas
list,
al-mudar.
in the list. Qaimati list.
Okay, list. Okay,
List.
sir. Jalas al-mudarrisu, the teacher said. Waqala, and he said, Aqara'tum darsal amsi ya abna'i. Did you read yesterday's lessons, O my sons? Qalat tullabu, the students said, Na'am. Yes.
Qalat tullabun.
Qalat tullabu, Na'am. Yes. Qara'nahu, we read it.
Sorry, qalat tullabu. Yes. Qalat
Yes, sir.
tullabu.
Yeah, it's Ta Shamsiya.
Yes.
Qalat tullabu, Na'am. Yes. Qara'nahu, we read it. Wa katabnahu, and we wrote it. وَحَفِظْنَاهُ, and we memorized it. قَالَ الْمُدَرِّسُ, the teacher said, أَفَهِمْتُمُوهُ, did you understand it? قَالُوا, they said, نَعَمْ, yes. فَهِمْنَاهُ, we understood it. جَيِّدًا, we understood it well. مَا أَسْهَلَ هَذَا الدَّرْسَ, how easy is this lesson?
Good. Ma asala haza darsa. Ma asala is fail ta'ajjub. Ma asala is fail ta'ajjub.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
قال عبد الرحمن, Abdul Rahman said, أنا ما فهمت فيه ثلاث كلمات. I did not understand in it 3 words. قال المدرس, the teacher said, ما هي, what is it? قال عبد الرحمن, Abdul Rahman said, قرأنا في الدرس هذه الجملة. We read in this lesson, هذه الجملة. We read in this lesson this sentence, عاد جدي من الخرطوم. عاد جدي, my grandfather returned from Khurtum. فما معنى, then what does it mean? هذه الكلمات الثلاث, these 3 words. قال المدرس, the teacher said, عاد معناها رجع. Ada means return. والجد معناها abul abi or abul ummi. Al-jaddu means grandfather. It means father of your father or father of your mother. Father of
Abdul
father
Abi.
or father of mother.
Mother, yes.
Wal khurtumu asimatu Sudani. And Khurtum, it is the capital of Sudan.
Capital.
Afahimta,
Asimatu is capital.
capital, yeah.
Asimatun,
Asimatu
and
is
this is
capital.
Mudafi and Mudafi ilayhi here. These are Mudafi and
Okay, sir.
Mudafi ilayhi. Asimatus Sudani.
Asimatus Sudani. Afahimta, did you understand? Qala Abdul Rahmani, Al-ana fahimtu. Abdul Rahman said, now I understand.
Now I
ثم
understand.
فتح
Okay.
ثم فتح المدرس كتابه وقرأ درسا جديدا. Then the teacher opened his book and he read a new lesson. خلق الله الشمس والقمر والنجوم والأرض والبحار. Allah created the sun, the moon, the stars, the earth, and the seas. وَخَلَقَ كُلَّ شَيْءٍ, and He created everything. وَخَلَقَ الْإِنسَانَ مِنْ طِينٍ, and He created man from soil.
From soil, from
ثُمَّ clay.
Okay.
And He created man from clay. ثُمَّ قَامَ وَكَتَبَ هَذَا الدَّرْسَ عَلَى السَّبُورَةِ. Then he stood and he wrote this lesson on the board. رَفَعَ مُحَمَّدٌ يَدَهُ. Muhammad raised his hand. وَقَالَ, and he said, مَا مَعْنَى, what is this? At-tiin, at-tiin, ya ustaz.
Ma'ana, what means?
What means teen, O teacher? قال المدرس, the teacher said, الطين معناه التراب المختلط بالماء. Teen means, it means earth mixed with water.
Soil mixed with water.
Soil mixed with water. وَرَفَعَ فَيْسَلٌ يَدَهُ. And Faisal raised his hand. فَقَالَ لَهُ الْمُدَرِّسُ. Then he said to his teacher, أَإِنْدَكَ سُؤَالٌ يَا Faisal. No. Then to him the teacher said.
Yes,
Yeah, the teacher said to him. Yeah. أَإِنْدَكَ سُؤَالٌ يَا Faisal. Do you have a question, O Faisal? قَالَ فَيْسَلٌ. Faisal said, Naam, yes. Indi su'alun, I have a question. Al-biharu jam'ul bahr.
Al-biharu.
Okay. Al-biharu jam'ul bahri is biharu the plural of sea, the sea. Qala al-mudarrisu, the teacher said, Naam, yes. Huwa kadhalik, kadhalika. Yes, it is like this.
It is
Qama
like that.
al-Hasan, yeah. Qama al-Hasanu wa qala, Hasan stood and he said, Ma jam'u samai, what is the plural of as-samai? Ya ustaz. Qala al-mudarrisu, jam'uha samawat. Its plural is samawat. ثم سأل المدرس الطلاب عدة أسئلة. Then the teacher questioned the student. عدة means أسئلة.
Number of questions. Numerous questions.
Achha. Okay, number of questions. Okay. Then the teacher questioned the students a number of questions. Al-Mudarrisu, Man khalaqaka ya Ibrahimu? Who created you, O Ibrahim? Ibrahimu, khalaqani yallahu. Allah created me.
Yallahu. Khalaqani yallahu.
Yeah, that will be the file, so it will be marfu.
Yes.
Khalaqani yallahu. Allah created me. Al-Mudarrisu, Man khalaqakum ya abna'i?
So,
Who created?
in this khalaqani yallahu, where is the fail, file,
Yes,
and
sir.
maf'ul?
Yeah, in khalaqani ya, khalaqa is the fail and Allahu is the file and ya mutakallim is the maful.
Ya mutakallim is the maf'ul bihi.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And what is this noon?
That is nune vikaya.
Noon
No.
vikaya.
Yeah, it is nune vikaya, yes.
Okay.
Al-Mudarrisu, Man khalaqakum ya abna'i? Who created you all, O my sons?
So,
Al-Jami'u.
what is kum here?
Again, maful.
Maf'ul bihi. This is object here. Man
Maful
khalaqakum.
bihi.
Who created you, ya abnai, O my sons?
Al-Jami'u, all together. Khalaqana Allahu. Allah created us. So khalaqa is the fail, na is the maf'ul, and Allahu is the fa'il.
Yes.
Al-Mudarrisu. Man khalaqani ya Abbasu? Who created me, O Abbas? Abbasun. Khalaqakallahu. Allah created you. Al-Mudarrisu. Man khalaqa shamsa ya Abdullahi? Abdullah. Khalaqahallahu. Allah created it. Created her. Shams is feminine. No?
Allah created it.
Okay. Al-Mudarrisu. وَمَنْ خَلَقَ الْقَمَرَ يَا عَبْدَ الرَّحْمَنِ? And who created the moon, O Abdul Rahman? خَلَقَهُ اللَّهُ. Allah created it. Al-Mudarrisu. وَمَنْ خَلَقَ النُّجُومَ يَا أَحْمَدُ? And who created the stars, O Ahmad? خَلَقَهُ اللَّهُ. Allah created it. Yaqub. Ya Ustazu. Indi su'alun laysat lahu alaqatun bid-darsi. O teacher, I have a question. It is not related to the lesson. Alaqat is related.
Okay, good.
Al-Mudarrisu. Ma huwa? What is it? Yaqub. Qaratu fi kitabin. I read in the book.
In a book.
In a book. In a book. Yeah, it's nakira, so a book. Anna nujuma, indeed the stars, abadu minashamsi, are farther from the sun. Sahihun haza, is this correct? Al-Mudarrisu. Naam, yes. Haza sahihun, this is correct.
Okay, thank you. Our time is over. Inshallah, tomorrow we will complete its exercise. Ila liqai ma'as-salama. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Walaikum assalam.
Walaikum assalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Jazakumullah khairan.
Ameen wa iyaki.